Hi, this is Xiaoshen. The first assignment is to build a website that look like a Google Calendar, and this is my work. I'm about to show you all the functions that my website has. The first one will be the navigation bar. Yeah, this button, if you click on it, nothing will happen, but this one have the drop-down menu, and the code for this part is the menu, and the drop-down code is here. Then there is the search bar and the button. And the search bar code is this part. This is the immediate source of the Google logo. And the search button icon is here. Then there is an email that indicates my Ruckus email. And the bell button, the share button, and the user button. This part is right here. The bell button, the user button, and my email. Next part will be the calendar. There's a small button that allows you to change view from today, yesterday, or tomorrow. Code is here. This is a small button that allows you to change view. This is a button that indicates the day. Next one will be this part. This also includes a drop-down menu function, but it looks a little bit strange. I don't know why. Drop-down menu. Code is here. And there is a small icon, the gear icon. Next part. This is a create button that allows you to add events. Is here. And I also did the extra credit, the small calendar. The small calendar is everything below the create button. This allows you to switch view from month to month. This allows you to change the year. And below is the code for my these are other small functions. Yeah, you can choose something from here. And the last part, it will be the main calendar. It shows as the month view. No, Oh, it's actually show as a week view. And the code for the main calendar is here. Okay, that's almost everything of my website. Thank you for watching.